In this video, let us see how we can import activity relationships from Excel to Primavera. Sometimes when your project schedule is very big and you want to change the relationships which are readily available in Excel, then to save time you can use this method. So I request you to carefully watch this video till the end. Consider this sample project as an example for this demo. If you see, we have these columns in this layout where you can see the predecessors in this particular column. Let us focus this WBS with 5 activities now. And first let us export the schedules relationships into Excel. Go to File, click on Export, select Export Format as Spreadsheet XLSX, Export Type, select as Activity Relationships, tick this Export checkbox. Next, here in this template, click on Add to add a new template. Name this as Relationships and select subject areas as Activity Relationships, which comes by default as we have selected the export type as Activity Relationships. Add the columns that we wish to have in the export Excel file to the right side, like predecessor, successor, relationship type, lag, activity name, successor activity name, and remove all those unwanted. Leave the rest as it is. And now let's click Next. Select the location to save the file, say Documents folder, click Next and click Finish. Now go to the particular folder to open the file called Customer Service, which is the project name. Here we can see the columns as per our selection. Let us freeze the first row and go down to our 5 activities, which is D30 to D36. So observe in P6 as well, where D29 is the predecessor to the activity D30. So let's focus on this particular one activity. Now, if you want to make D23 as a predecessor to this activity D30, let us first try by replacing this text D29 in the predecessor column as D23 and save the file and close. Let us now import the Excel file into P6. You will observe one small mistake. Let us find out that. Go to P6, click on File, click on Import, select the import format as Spreadsheet XLSX, import type, select Activity Relationships, browse the file from My Documents and click Next. Import to, select the opened project, click Next and click Finish. Once you receive the successful message, close this window now. You will observe that the P6 activity D30 has got the predecessor D23 added in addition to the previous predecessor D29. The bottom details section that D23 has got added. But if you wanted to remove this D29 as predecessor, you should be following the other right method rather than just replacing the existing predecessor name. Let us open the Excel back. This time, let's insert a row below this D30 successor activity. Copy this entire row and paste in the newly added blank row. Now make this D23 as D29 and go to the last column with heading delete this row and mention as D in this cell. This will delete this particular relationship in the P6 while you import. So remember that if you want to remove any relationships, you should be following this only approach of mentioning as D in this particular column. Now save this file and close. Again go back to the P6. Let us try importing the Excel file as we have done earlier. Now this time you will observe that the predecessor D29 has been removed for the activity D30 as a predecessor. Got it, friends? It's very nice and simple, right? So in this way you can import multiple activity relationships from Excel to Primavera. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe DP Tutorials. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.